Hi, what's up, guys? I'm Harshita. I'm a final year MBBS student. Welcome back to my channel. इतने दिनों के बाद finally I am able to vlog, and guess what? I am final year MBBS, but tomorrow I'm going to be giving my last exam of MBBS. My god, I can finally tell that no more exams of MBBS because tomorrow I will be giving last exam of MBBS. Oh my god, I still can't believe it. Okay, because entire final year, like whatever vlogs you see, whatever video you open, I'll just be ranting that I have exams, but no more exams from tomorrow because tomorrow I'm gonna be giving last exam of MBBS. And please excuse this condition, okay? I'm having hectic exam schedule from the past 1 month. That is the entire month of April. I had theory exams starting from 7th of April, and then practical exam started from 28th of April. 28th I had one exam. That was surgery practical exam, and then 29th I had medicine. And guess what? At least theory exams you have time, like 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 3 hours exam. You write, you come back. But practical exam, no, nothing like that. Time constraint. For practical exam, you need to go to the hospital at around 6 o'clock in the morning. And वापस कब आओगे? God only knows. There is no breakfast, no lunch. ठीक है, तो you are on your own in the hospital for more than 6 hours, I guess, inside the hospital ward. So yeah, it's basically very hectic practical exam. Theory exam उतना नहीं है. And I'm actually scared. I was actually scared for practical exams only more than theory exam because I am someone who needs breakfast to live, to function properly. I can't just go without breakfast, right? But क्या करें अब? I brought bananas, I brought biscuits, I brought all the snacks to eat before giving my practical exam. So today is 2nd of May as I'm shooting this video, and tomorrow 3rd of May will be the last exam which I'm going to be giving, practical exam, which is of pediatrics subject, pediatrics practical exam. Yeah, today also I had one exam that was of OBG, obstetrics and gynecology. It went really well. We went to the hospital at around 6 o'clock and came back around 2 o'clock, I guess, for lunch. I had my lunch, I slept. I had a very severe headache. This is actually my hostel room in which I'm shooting, and I'm able to shoot right now this video because my roommates are not there, they went home. Yeah, tomorrow is basically the last exam for everyone. Like after tomorrow there are no more exams for us, hopefully for the next 1 year. Like the entire internship period will not be giving any exam. So I'm having dinner right now. I brought it from the canteen, and at the same time I'm revising my pediatric notes जो मैंने बनाए थे, and yeah, I'm revising all the cases which are there for tomorrow examination. Newborn case है, pneumonia, cerebral palsy, SAM, which is severe acute malnutrition, and what else? Pneumonia is there. So yeah, all these cases, like cases means the patients will be kept, like babies and children will be kept, and we need to go to the patient and examine, take the case history, 1 long case and 2 short cases, I guess. उसके बाद OSCE होगा, and then X-rays will be kept. We need to identify it and tell about something, and then there will be drugs, I guess, and there will be vaccines also because छोटे बच्चों को वैक्सीन की ज़रूरत होती है. And then yeah, I guess this much it for pedia, hopefully. I don't know. Major horror was, for me, major horror subjects are surgery and medicine. More than surgery, medicine. Now I'm chill. Today was OBG. It was also really good. I like OBG. I like pedia as well. So pedia and OBG are pretty much chill for me. Kind of easy subject. But surgery and medicine, you know, my relationship with medicine subject. But medicine भी अच्छा गया, ऐसा नहीं है. I'm gonna finish my dinner and then again sit for studying maybe till 12 o'clock. अभी 9 o'clock बजा है, I guess. So till 12 I'll study. Tomorrow morning I need to go to the hospital at 7 o'clock. Maybe I'll get up at 5 o'clock, but You know what? From the past 1 month, like from the starting of April, bhi nahi, from the starting of March, I guess, daily I'm getting up at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and I'm so tired. Like, see the situation. I have not taken a bath from the past 2 days, I guess, and मेरे बाल ऐसे ही हैं. The dark circles are like too much, and there is like I am running on 2 to 3 hours of sleep every day. Very sleep deficient. So tomorrow, as soon as my exam gets over, I'm gonna sleep for at least 12 hours. Okay, switching off my phone, I'm gonna sleep for 12 hours because I am so sleep deficient. Even today for OPG exam, I was so much in sleepy mood that I was like literally dozing off in front of the patient. I'm taking history and I'm like, मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है seriously. And guess what? Before giving my viva in today's OBG exam, I slept for one hour. I slept because मेरा roll number आ ही नहीं रहा था and it was getting so slow. So I was like, better sleep, and I had revised also everything of my cases. So I slept for 1 hour before giving my viva because I was literally so sleep deficient that मुझे नींद की ज़रूरत है. I don't care मेरा एग्ज़ाम कैसे जाता है, मुझे नींद चाहिए बस, और कुछ नहीं. I'm so sleep deficient. My appetite is like imbalanced. मेरा body पूरा imbalance हो चुका. कल as soon as I give my exam, I'm gonna first thing I'm gonna do is sleep, and then second thing I'm gonna do is take a bath. Okay, I know, please don't judge me, but this is how everyone is during exam season, especially in MBBS and especially in final exams and practical exams also. Subah 6 o'clock se 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock you come back, and then again tomorrow and next day again you have to go to 6 o'clock like to the hospital for exam. एंड रिवाइज करने के लिए भी टाइम नहीं है, तो इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होता है. बट आई विल बी लाइक लकी. आई विल कंसिडर माई सेल्फ एज लकी रोल नंबर बिकॉज 2 days एग्जाम था, फिर 2 days हॉलीडे, देन 2 days एग्जाम. So this is like for my roll number, Aju Baju people. But for other people, it was like continuous 4 exams, 4 days continuous. Daily you need to go to 6 o'clock to the hospital. It was too much hectic. So yeah, finally tomorrow will be the last exam of MBBS, and I will be like done. So many exams I have given in final year, like count ही नहीं है, इतना exams दिया है. Let me finish this and let's begin. Let's stop this rant and continue with our pedia revision for tomorrow's practical exam. Yep. Hello, it is almost 10:30 and now I'm revising all the x-rays of pediatric children. They're gonna ask us in Viva tomorrow, so yeah. X-rays, it's just x-ray. क्या हुआ इसको? It's 11:30 right now. I need to wake up at 5 o'clock tomorrow again to revise, so I guess I'll sleep now and tomorrow morning 5 o'clock again, one last time. Let's go. Good night.
The next day.
Good morning. It is 6 o'clock. I was supposed to get up at 5, but no worries. Let's do our last revisions and go for the exam. I'll eat some snacks, biscuits or something, because obviously I can't go empty stomach. And also I need to cut my nails. It's not too much, but still I need to cut because I don't want to injure the babies while handling them. And yeah, I need to keep hand sanitizer as well before touching the babies. Let's freshen up and get ready. It's 6:30. I need to go at 7 o'clock. I'm done revising. I need to freshen up and pack my bag everything I need to take. कितना सारा सामान, especially this Ishihara chart, Snellen chart, weight for height chart, all WHO charts, anthropometry, बच्चों को measure करके चार्ट में डालने का काम. Okay, let's go. I'm running super late, so let's go. Let's go. I'm in the hospital. Wish me luck. Yeah.
Six hours later.
Guys, guess what? It is 3 o'clock right now, and finally my final year MBBS is done. Last exam is done. I'm having my lunch. I didn't have my breakfast. From morning 6 o'clock, apart from water, I had nothing. No breakfast, no biscuit, nothing. And from morning 6 o'clock, I didn't have anything. And now at 3 o'clock, I'm having mera pehla niwal. I will finish my lunch, go back to hostel and meet you and tell you everything whatever happened today. So much to tell.